All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode of Logic. The begging the question fallacy is the topic of this video. Now, it's an informal fallacy of presumption. Now, fallacies of presumption presume what they purport to prove. The begging the question fallacy is committed when the premises is used to provide an illusion of support for the conclusion. Because 1, the argument is missing a key premise, or 2, the argument restates the conclusion as a premise, or 3, the argument reasons in a circle. Now, the following illustration will provide an example of the first variety of the fallacy.
Hey Frank, have you heard of the problem about smoking marijuana?
Oh, yeah, I have.
Smoking marijuana is not really a problem at all.
Oh, really?
Yes, the smokers eventually sober up.
All right, let's take a closer look at what just happened. Now, Cindy argues that marijuana smokers eventually sober up, and therefore smoking marijuana is not a real problem. This argument's fallacious, however, because it begs the following question. Just because they eventually sober up, does this mean that smoking marijuana is not a real problem? The question suggests the following premise. If marijuana smokers eventually sober up, then smoking marijuana is not a real problem. And since Cindy leaves out this premise, which may be false, she's committing the fallacy of begging the question. Now, the second way to commit the fallacy is to restate the conclusion as a premise. Now, the following illustration will provide an example. Hi, Cindy. How was the concert last night?
It was great. I had a lot of fun.
Well, that's nice.
You know, I think to be a good musician, the talent must come naturally.
Well, why is that?
Because if the talent doesn't come naturally, then you can't be a good musician.
Well, okay. All right, let's take a closer look at what just happened. Cindy's argument is anyone that does not have a natural talent could not be a good musician. Therefore, any good musician has a natural talent. Now, the premise says the same thing as the conclusion, so it doesn't provide good support for the conclusion. Now, the third way to commit the fallacy is to reason in a circle. And the following illustration will provide an example.
The Republicans' plan is the greatest political policy.
Oh, yeah? Well, why so?
Well, because it is the most intelligent plan.
And how do you know that?
It is the most popular political theory.
Well, that is true.
So it is obviously the greatest political policy.
All right, let's take a closer look at what just happened. Now, Cindy's argument consists of an inferential chain in which the final conclusion is the same as the first premise. The argument goes in a circle, so it commits the case of begging the question fallacy. Now, if you want to be an expert at evaluating arguments with the ability to provide clear and concise answers, then see our other videos on logic. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.